Hey everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to turn on the Earn Badges feature in the YouTube app, so you can start collecting badges as you watch and engage. First, open the YouTube app on your phone. Make sure you're logged into the account where you want to earn badges. Otherwise, the changes won't apply to the right profile. Now, tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner. This will open up your account menu with all the main options. From here, look for Settings in the top right corner and tap on it. This will take you to all of YouTube's app settings. In the Settings menu, choose General. This section holds a variety of controls related to your account and how the app behaves. Next, scroll down until you find the option called Earn Badges. By default, this setting is switched off. Finally, tap on the toggle switch to turn it on. And that's it. From now on, you'll start earning badges automatically for different activities inside the app. You've successfully enabled Earn Badges on YouTube. If this guide helped you, don't forget to tap that like button. Subscribe for more easy tutorials, and turn on notifications so you never miss out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.